Hi everyone, welcome to my cooking channel. My name is Nasreen, and if it's your first time on my page, make sure and hit the subscribe button. Today we're gonna be making our very own delicious beef jerky. You're gonna love it. Let's get started. I've made a lot of different kinds, but this is my favorite blend I've came up with so far. You can use oranges, limes, lemon pepper, really anything you want. I love beef jerky because it's a great snack for when you're doing your DIY projects, taking a hike, fishing, working, or just plain hungry. I'm gonna be using a London broil roast, which is my personal favorite, but you can pretty much use anything you want. Most of the time you can have the deli cut it for you. Just ask them to cut it thin for beef jerky. Or you can just do it yourself. See? We're ready to start. First, I'm gonna add the juice of 2 lemons, 2/3 bottle of teriyaki sauce, and there's a lot of different kinds. I'm gonna be trying this one out today. Some crushed pepper, chile quebrado, and some salt and pepper. Next, I'm gonna add some meat. They really slice this perfectly. Sometimes they make it a little too thick, but they did a good job. That's why you wanna tell them you want it really thin for jerky. That looks so good. I can't wait to eat some jerky. I've been craving it. We may have to do a few batches. All right. It's just awesome to think that you can make your own beef jerky because it's so expensive at the stores. And I don't even like how they taste. This one is so much better. All right, you can marinate it overnight, but the way that I make it, you're not gonna need to. Saves you time. Now I'm gonna add 1 more lemon in a side dish, and in the other, I'm gonna add the rest of the teriyaki, some salt, pepper, and crushed chili pepper. Now I'm gonna mix it up, and it's ready to go. We're gonna put it on top of the meat. I bought this dehydrator for $40 a few years back. It has 4 trays on it, and we're gonna start layering the meat on there. You wanna make sure they don't overlap. They gotta lay flat. And these are nice big pieces. It already smells good and it's not even done. Sometimes you have to cut them just to fit them on a tray because they're so big. Okay, next level. Just got to adjust them to where they fit right. I think I'm gonna have to cut this one a little bit, or you could just tear it. It tears pretty easily. There, just make it fit. Make it fit flat. Yum! And if you have any left over, you can just wrap it up, put it in the fridge until this batch is done. Have you guys tried this press and seal wrap? It works really good. It works better than the other stuff because when you put it on, it actually holds in place really good. See, you just crank it down a little bit and bam! Ready to go to the fridge. Now this is the key to the whole thing. This is why you don't have to marinate it for a few hours. This is my trick. I put a little teriyaki mixture on top of the meat. Spread it out. Doesn't take much. And you can already tell, look at the difference between these two. That looks good. I think I'm gonna add just a little more. Same thing for the next piece. Spread it out. Now I'm gonna add a little of this fresh lemon the same way. This is my favorite part. I love lemon on jerky with chili. Now on the other piece, a little more. My mouth's watering already. A little bit of fresh salt and pepper. Just a little, because I know we already put some in the mixtures. We're gonna do that to each layer. Here's the second one. Some of these pieces are so big, they need a little more. I add the lemon separate because for some reason it just tastes better that way. I am not wasting this. I'm putting all of it on top, wherever I can fit it. I just can't wait, guys. I can't wait. Now I'm gonna set it on the counter and plug it in and turn it on. It just has an on and off switch. Depending on how many trays you have, it can take from 8 to 12 hours, but it's well worth the wait. For the second batch, I'm gonna be adding some tamari. This will give it a little stronger flavor. You could make the whole batch with this and it'd be really good, but it's also good to mix things up. What's your favorite mixer? Which one of these do you like better? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty tired because today I got called for jury duty. It was my first time. I had to get up at the butt crack of dawn and it took about an hour. They had us sitting there and then they dismissed it. Some tamari, and I'm not gonna add too much because there's already some sauce in here. Now we're gonna mix it up. You can't be scared to get your fingers dirty, just like with my remodel projects. Very messy. It's kind of cold from the fridge. Just mix it up really well, and then we're gonna lay it on our trays. That's probably good right there. So the meat got a little darker because it was in the fridge, but it's still gonna be delicious. So delicious. Bootylicious. Some people say I should have been a singer instead of a nurse. Just kidding. I wish I could sing, but I cannot sing. I have a terrible voice. That's why I became a nurse. / DIYer / cooking channel. My fingers are getting really cold. My fear of jury duty is if I'm on the panel and we give a verdict and then the person comes after me afterwards because they're mad. Imagine being on El Chapo's jury. That would be scary. But it's not your choice. If they call you, they call you. I just wanted to thank everybody who made it from my DIY page over to my cooking channel. Thank you so much for the support. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. I hope you enjoy these videos as much as you do the others. You want to make sure that you lay them flat and they don't overlap each other. A little more sauce on top with chili powder. Then we're going to add some lemon. Plug it in. Now all we have to do is wait. As you can see, the bottom trays dry a little faster than the top, so make sure to rotate your trays every 1 to 2 hours. And as you go, make sure to cut off any pieces of fat. So the jerky's all done. It smells so good. Look at that delicious piece of jerky. And I made it myself. I like to take it out when it's just getting crispy. That is the best beef jerky I've ever had. I'm not lying, it is so good. This is how much you get at the store versus how much you would get if you made it yourself. Which one would you rather have? and you get to make it exactly how you want it. I like lemon, and a lot of stores don't sell lemon on the beef jerky, and that's my absolute favorite. I bought 3.5 pounds for $17 and ended up with 18, maybe 20 ounces. A few went missing. I don't know where they went, but it's under investigation. Dehydrators are also really good because you can dehydrate fruit, like apples, bananas, pears, pineapples, really anything you can imagine. If you guys like beef jerky as much as I do, make sure to hit the subscribe button. See you on the next video.